Hey guys, look at that. My collagen is ready to drink. So I made them last night. Look at that. It's jelly, but they're yummy. Of course, I'm gonna warm them before I'm gonna drink. So we all know collagen is really important to us. So I drink my collagen because I cannot afford to buy collagen powder, collagen capsule, collagen peptide, or whatever supplements that made from collagen. So I drink it this way. So I bought chicken feet, a lot of chicken feet this time, and I add beef bone. So I put it in a long boiled soup, 4 hours slow cooker, and I add some carrots and some goji berries, paminta. I know Filipino people know paminta. And that's it. Gonna cool down and a little bit of salt and ready to drink your collagen. So I hope you guys start making your collagen now also. So yeah, we need to take care of ourselves. Love ourselves first because nobody love us more than ourselves. So I hope you guys have a great day. Mwah.